Hello there. So this is a short tutorial for you to do the keyword in context exercise in the class, and I have provided the search terminology, the search pattern that you need to use in the quick tab feature of COCA. So I assume you have login, and then you click on this quick button. If you haven't got this one, there will be a plus button here that you can click, and these other tabs will reveal. So you click on the quick and then copy and paste the search pattern into this box, okay, in this search field. So this one is n plot underscore vv. So this search patterns means that you search for any noun, common noun or proper noun, followed by the verb, the motion verb plot as a verb, okay. And after this, you just need to click keyword in context, and this will show up in the context display, okay, like this. So you have forms, plot along a little, and so on, donkeys, plot along busy highways, and so on and so forth. And as I've said in the class, you can look at the or click on this question mark to see what the part of speech or word class of the color coding here in these lines. So because we are looking at the motion verb, the focus now is that you need to code only the word, one word to the right of this keyword. Yeah, one word to the right means like here, one word to the right, okay, this column. And you need only to code words that are color coded as orange, like this, along, and also yellow, okay. So code the adverb. So this is the adverb. If you look at the question mark here, this, the orange, light orange means the adverb, and the light yellow here is preposition. So the point of this exercise is that you practice to annotate, in this case, preposition that directly follows this verb. Okay, what are the the preposition as well as adverb that follows this motion verb? Okay, yeah. So you only need to code this orange that and yellow that appears directly after the verb. Okay, you can ignore this for the moment for the purpose of the practice. Okay, so it's easier for you later on. Okay. Right. That's about generating the quick in COCA, and the coding later on, the annotation, you need to do that in Excel, as I've mentioned in the class. So you can copy and paste these results into Excel. Okay, right click, copy, and then go to your Excel sheet, and you better use edit and then paste special, okay, so that you can only paste the text, okay. If you don't use paste special, this will look like, okay, this is what will look like. It takes a lot of work for you to delete this, so I suggest you select edit, paste special, and you can just select text, okay. And yeah, there we go. So that's about exporting from COCA to Excel. Now I would like to illustrate a bit what you can do to tidy up this graph. So you can delete this first two rows, these rows, okay. You delete this, and then you have just one row left above, and you can type in here the ID, the year, the genre, all capital, and this is the title. And you can now delete these three columns, okay. Wow, people are racing out on the street. So this is the left context after the title, okay. This is the node, the keyword, the key pattern, and this is the right context. And you can freeze this first row by going to view, freeze top row, okay, like that, and it is freeze for you. And you can align the left context to the right like this, okay, and note to the center, so it's easier for you to work with this. Okay, now as I've said, you can create a new column to annotate the adverb and preposition. So you can type in column name like adverb prep. Okay, here you type in the adverb and preposition that occurs directly one word to the right of this verb. So you see here there is no adverb, but here along we have adverb, so we type in here along, and you can type in na if there is no adverb as the right word context of the verb, and you can drag this so that you know you don't need to type in again, and here you can type in na, here is na, around is the adverb, yeah, and you can leave this open for while you are coding, so it's easy for you to go back and check whether you need to code this one or not. Yeah, so you just need to code the orange and yellow one. But if you want challenge, you can just work here and think about whether away like this is an adverb, or you can go back and check, yeah, this is adverb because it is orange, so you type in away. Back, yep, so back, beside is preposition, yeah, you code that. By is adverb, so you code that. Yeah, you do that until you finish coding, and then after that you can create what we call the pivot table, as I've said in the tutorial in the class. So let me finish this up. Okay, is word is yes, it's an adverb heavily. Okay, we code this, and then off also, off, on is yep, on. Okay, and make sure you just here you select just 100 keyword in context. Okay, yeah, so this Q is not, it's it's a noun, slowly is an adverb. Okay, their way is not, through is a preposition. Okay, and I can just copy and paste this here, and the other are not. Okay, right, so you have done your simple practice of annotating concordance or keyword in context in terms of the word that occurs to the right of the keyword. As I've said, you can now create a pivot table by going to insert, and there is this pivot table tab. Click on that, and you just need to click OK, and this field will appear here, and you need to click on this adverb prep. Okay, like that, and you see it's already counted, so there are 37 lines or 37 matches here. If you go down, yes, there are 37 matches, and then you need to drag this to the rows field here. Okay, so we can, let me zoom this. So you see that there are mostly NA occurrences. Mostly the plot verb is not followed by adverb, okay, by other thing than adverb and preposition. You can filter this NA, okay, click on this arrow button, and then you can you can untick NA. Okay, yeah, the NA is gone, and now you can click on this number here in the first row, right click and sort from largest to smallest. So people typically say what, plot along. Okay, 5 times, plot on, plot through, plot off, and so on and so forth. Yeah, so it's an exercise that you can use to, let's say, find typical preposition or adverb that makes a phrasal verb out of motion verb that we are using for practice. All right, so I think that's basically it. That are the key points for your practice: generating keyword in context, exporting that into Excel, and do simple annotation in Excel, and then create summary, quantitative summary of the annotation that you do. All right, hopefully this is helpful, and if you have questions, please let me know. Thank you.